To understand the concept of weighted distribution completely, one must understand the category sales. So all the companies selling a similar product category will be treated as that category sale. So after clearing this category sale, after explaining this, let's start our today's topic, what is weighted distribution, WD. To help you understand, as we have promised in our just a few minutes ago, we will try to explain this concept because this is a big typical concept. So we will try to explain it with an example. Suppose there is a company A which manufactures shampoo. Now let's treat that the company A has a distributor in town B. Now in town B, suppose there are only 6 outlets. As we have told you earlier that to help you make understand this topic, we have taken very less number of outlets so that it is easy to understand. Now suppose say the distributor B has got only 6 outlets. Now outlet number 1 is a Pan Plus outlet. Now in Pan Plus outlet, the sale of shampoo category is 100 rupees. Now shampoo category means the sale of shampoo brands of all the companies, different companies. So in Pan Plus outlet, the sale of shampoo category is only rupees 100 and the product of company A, shampoo, is not available in that shop. Outlet number 2 is a departmental store. In departmental store, the sale of shampoo category is 2000 rupees and the product of company A are available in that shop. Similarly, in shop 3, which is a Kirana store, in that Kirana store, the sale of shampoo category is 1500 rupees. The products are available. In general store, the shampoo category sale is 200 rupees, but the products of company A shampoo is not available there. And in the shop number 5 or outlet number 5 is a supermarket where the sale of shampoo category is 1250 rupees and the product of the company A are available here. In chemist, that is the shop number 6, the sale of shampoo category is rupees 250, but the product of the company A is not available here. So, no means the products of the company are not available, and yes means the products of the company are available in that shop. So, we have got how many yeses? 1, 2, 3. So, total yeses 3. So, the products of the company are available in 3 outlets. And total category sale of shampoo in that town is 5300 rupees. So total category sale is 5300 rupees in that town. So category sales means the sale of entire shampoo brand of different companies. It can be company A, company B, company C, company D. So here we are taking the sale of only branded companies. Now, total sale of shampoo category in the town is 5300 rupees. Now in Pan Plus outlet, the sale of category is only 100 rupees. So Pan Plus outlets contributes only 2% of the category sale. That is 100 rupees. Sale of category in the shop divided by total category sale in the town multiplied by 100. So 100 divided by total sale into 100. So in Pan Plus store, the shampoo category sale in that town is only 2%. Similarly, in departmental store, the sale of shampoo category is 2000 divided by 5300 into 100, 38%. Similarly, in Kirana shop, the sale of shampoo category is 28%. In general store, the sale of shampoo category in the town is 4%. In supermarket, it is 2%. It is 23%. And in chemist, it is 5%. So if there is a sale of 100% in the town, then Pan Plus outlets contributes to 2%, department store 38%, Kirana store 28%, general store 4%, supermarket 23%, and chemist 5%. Now the total of all these percentage should come to 100%. Because 100% sale is 5300 rupees. So if you see, now we'll come to explain numeric distribution also here. Now, how many shops the products are available? Company 1, 2, 3. So, out of 6 shops, at 3 outlets, the company's products are available. So, numeric distribution is available divided by total shop into 100, 50%. So, if you see, the numeric distribution of the company is 50%. Company A is available only in 50% outlets of the town. The numeric distribution is 50%. It is very low. But the company A is smart. Its weighted distribution is yes, 38%. Yes, 28%. 38 plus 8, 66 plus yes, 23. So it is 38 plus 28, 66 plus 33 is equal to 89%. Weighted distribution is 89%. So the company A is playing very smartly. It is trying to get its products placed at the most important outlets. So that is the concept of weighted distribution. Weighted distribution means the efficiency of distribution. Weighted distribution means the quality of distribution. Numeric distribution is quantity, but weighted distribution is quality. The company A is very smart. Its sales people are very smart. Its sales strategy is very smart because it is focusing its focus on very less number of outlets, but very relevant outlets. It is focusing on those outlets where the category sales are very important. So as a smart salesman, as a smart sales leader, try to focus on weighted distribution. So this was weighted distribution. If you really think you have understood what is weighted distribution, then please do like our YouTube channel, subscribe it, and please press the bell button. We'll keep on explaining different sales concepts. In one of our next videos, we are going to explain the benefits of weighted distribution and why the company should chase weighted distribution. Although we have hinted in this video, but we will cover that aspect of importance of weighted distribution in very detail in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep enjoying, and learning should never stop.